So this is lecture number 9, slide number 7. This is regarding primary battery. So this definition is very simply given here. The primary battery is a cell in which cell reaction takes place only once, it cannot be reversed. So here you please understand that once the redox reaction is completed, you cannot use it. And the second important thing is, this kind of batteries are use and throw. You take ever ready battery or Duracell, whatever you have using in the home, maybe for a clock, use for a clock, you can keep it for 3 to 5 months, it will come maximum. After that you have to throw. Why these are the things happening in the dry cell means cell reactions cannot be reversed. That is number one. Number two, there are other disadvantages. Once the redox reaction is completed, by any chance you cannot revert this redox reaction. And there are some other disadvantages also. Let us see one by one. And the battery cannot be recharged. Okay, here in the fourth point, a paste of ammonium chloride along with zinc chloride also supposed to be used. You please note it down, along with ammonium chloride, because most of the some of the textbooks says that even zinc chloride is used along with ammonium chloride as an electrolytic paste. It is used as a paste. All the other details given here, you please go accordingly. Zinc container as anode, graphite as cathode, and cathode is surrounded by powdered manganese dioxide. So this is the reaction related to anode. At anode what takes place? Oxidation will take place. Okay. So I am going to add something here for you. Means here oxidation takes place at anode. We need to understand this. So zinc is getting oxidized to zinc 2 plus ion, and at cathode what happens is manganese dioxide reacts with ammonium ion, consuming electron to form a special compound called manganese oxide hydroxide. Manganese oxide hydroxide. Now see here, oxidation state of manganese is +4, whereas here if you see, manganese is connected to oxide -2, hydroxide is -1. Therefore X will be equal to +3. So oxidation state of manganese reduces from +4 to +3. Therefore this is at cathode what is happening? Reduction is happening. At anode what is happening? Oxidation is happening. Okay, now apart from this reaction, there is one more reaction which says that this compound MnOH finally will decompose to form Mn2O3. So you can also take down this equation, Mn2O2 plus NH4 plus electron will give you Mn2O3 plus NH3 plus H2O. So here 2 Mn balance. Then you can also put here 2 ammonium, 2 ammonia, get balanced, and the other things are automatic. So here also oxidation state is +4, and here also oxidation state will be +3. So this is also one of the reactions which is given in some textbooks. So according to NCERT book, you can go for the first equation. This cathode equation is given in NCERT, but sometimes this compound also can be asked in MCQ with respect to your competitive. Okay. So this is one. Next important point is the compound formed when zinc 2 plus, at the last when ammonia is liberated, zinc 2 plus combines with ammonia in the presence of chloride ion to form a complex which is called ZnNH3 4 times Cl2. So balance this equation, put 4NH3 2 Cl2 here. This is called tetramine zinc 2 chloride. So it's a coordination compound. Once this compound is formed, you will not be able to reverse this reaction. That is the reason primary batteries, they say that it cannot be reversed. And further, this particular primary cell, that is Leclanche cell or dry cell, its voltage ranges from 1.25 to 1.5 volt. You take whichever battery, whether it is Duracell or Eveready or any other cell, the maximum voltage which can be is 1.5 and minimum is 1.25. So remember these details, children, when you are attending the competitive exam. Sometimes you may get the questions.